Saksakan ng ganda.
33.
Ganda.
May saksakan. Saksak. At may
Saksakan ng ganda. Saksakan ng ganda.
sorry. I'll order this one. Pero parang bago ito. My favorite is this one. Isa na lang. And then this cup is the matcha latte. My ice americano. Pixie pepper. Ayaw niya. Come on, come on. Come on. This is kainan. I have 2 meetings today. 6:30 and 8 p.m. I think I'll sleep at 4 a.m. Ano po? Banana milk. Selecta ginger ale. Tingnan natin kung magkaiba nga yung lasa. 57, 33. Yung old finished editing at 3:35 a.m.
Hoy, ito alam mo. Sorry.
Ay, pag ganun siya. Kaya malaki.
Oo, nga sa
I got the oats. Very. Yeah. And sorry, don't bother. Guys, we're going to SM Mega Mall to wander. Mera outfit. Ito yung suot. Hindi to toyo, syrup yun. Parang amibal. Toyo yun. Tikman natin.
Kakain ko ba to? Baka nabiglaan ako din.
Okay. Hindi yung si Sel? Ay, nanap niya! Nanap niya! See, ito manipis ha. Usog naman. Pixie, nasira yung laptop ko. Bes, tawagin mo nga. Dumaan
Dumaan siya, tapos pinas yung gano'n, tapos umalis.
Sabi niya kasi, tigilan mo na yung mami ka. Eh, tagal-tagal na yung screen time ko today. Laro daw kayo, hindi mo siya nilalaro eh.
Ano to? Check. Babe? Sino? This is Labo. Look at this. Kunyari, ubos. Super cute. Tumubuin sila. Like, yun lang. It's 1:30 a.m. right now. Punta tayo ng Makati tomorrow. It's cafe hopping day. Nice.
Kailangan may flat lay.
Actually, maganda siya. Maganda. Check mo sa seat. For real. QR pay.
Wala talaga. Like, super tagal na ng ano.
Tama na po, charot. Bilan mo sarili mo, Katrina.
All favorite artists.
Hello, everybody. Leftover. Ginagawa from yesterday. Leftover sinigang kimchi from the other day. Leftover really. This is my first full meal today.